Heidi ho, my peeps, and welcome to another Dollar Tree recipe. Today we're going to do pancake sandwiches, I think you would call it. It's sort of a hack on the McDonald's McGriddle. I just love McGriddles. And I thought, I'm wondering how far 3 packages of Farmer John's sausage, some pancake and waffle batter, and 10 or 11 eggs will take me. The idea is you want to make these things up in advance, wrap them, and stick them in the freezer. Okay, so I've got 9 eggs. I would have used a full dozen, didn't have them, but that's okay. You do the best you can with what you've got. I got a little bit of salt and pepper down in there. I'm going to whisk it up, but before I do, I'm going to add a little bit of half and half. You could add milk if you choose, or leave it out. The reason I do add a milk product of some kind is that it makes your eggs fluffy. So here we go. I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to whisk that up and set it aside. When my sausage is done, I'm going to go ahead and quickly scramble these eggs. Brought me today's rose. Isn't that beautiful? It still has little water droplets on it. So pretty. All right, so our eggs have been scrambled up. They're waiting to go in the pan. Now, here's another option. This is the Silver State cheese that you can get at Dollar Tree. It's the white cheddar with Mediterranean herbs, which I just love. It is real cheese. It's not that plastic stuff. So I'm real excited about using this up. You don't have to put cheese in these if you don't want to, but if you've got it, you want to use it up, do so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cube this up into little cubes, and I'm going to mix it last thing with the eggs and the sausage before I start filling the little pancake sandwiches. Okay, so I have mixed this up according to the directions for the 12 to 16 pancakes. 2 cups of mix and a cup and a half of water gives me a nice pancake batter, a little on the thin side, which is the way I like it. I would normally whisk in 2 or 3 eggs because I like my pancakes crepey, but didn't have extra eggs, so no problem. We're going to do them just according to the directions. So I use coconut oil. It's my favorite kind of oil to fry with, and I'm getting it, it's practically at the smoking point. So let's see what we can do here. All right, I'm going to just dribble some in. That looks pretty good. All right, now it's time to get these eggs done. And I like to cook my eggs in a relatively hot pan so they cook up really quickly. And these look like they're going to cook up beautifully. So I'm going to finish getting these eggs ready, and I'm going to combine them with the sausage and some of that cheese. I'm such a messy cook. Okay, so I ended up getting a total of 10 pancakes about this size, including the 2 soldiers that died up front. So I have 8 pancakes to work with here. Now, I went ahead, as you can see, and I mixed up my sausage, the cheese, and the scrambled eggs. So I have sort of a filling. Now, what I've been doing is I'll just take a little bit of syrup, put it on the, spread it kind of thin on the pancake like that. That's about all you need to do. Then you'll take some filling. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can do this. You can make a sandwich with 2 pancakes, or you can do what I'm doing, which is folding or rolling. I've decided to go ahead and roll this. So the way I do that is I just take this bottom lip part here and I carefully and slowly roll it up into a burrito shape, like so. Then you come back with your cling wrap and just wrap that around to kind of hold it in position. You can, if you want, kind of shove the filling back in the corners if it's deciding to escape. And go ahead and wrap her up just like a burrito. And what you end up with is something that looks like that. That can be put in the freezer. You pull it out and microwave it when you want. So, for the money that I spent, which was about, let's see, we'll go $1 on the eggs, $1 on the pancakes, that's $2, $3 on the sausage, so that's $5, another $1 on the cheese, and a tiny bit of this pancake syrup, and a tiny bit of milk. So that's $6 for 8 of these nice breakfast size roll-ups, which is, that's pretty darn good. That's a heck of a lot cheaper than a McGriddles at McDonald's. And there we go, 8 beautiful breakfasts. I'm going to skew the cost of these down because I had leftover filling, and you can see I chopped up the pancakes that didn't turn out perfectly. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put just a little bit of syrup on there. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir, and then this is going to go into a refrigerator container so that, whoa, sorry about that, so that Grant and I have breakfast all ready to go tomorrow. Sort of a little scramble thing we can. We can just warm it up and have it with some coffee and maybe even some fruit. That would be nice. So there you go. Quite a few breakfasts, quite a lot of food out of about, let's say, $6.50 worth of investment. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I will talk to you later.